So we're here working on our '07 F150 in our shop, and just like all other things, floor mats do wear out with time. We actually use Weathertech's floor liners on all of our fleet vehicles, and we actually use their DigitalFit floor liners because they do provide the best coverage of all the Weathertech options currently available on the site. Weathertech does offer a lifetime warranty on these, which is nice. That's why we're here now, actually. Ours have certainly taken a beating, so we're here replacing them. So we just wanted to take a minute to show you guys how well these actually fit. Now, these do come in at a little bit of a higher price than other options on the site, that is true. However, these again do provide the most coverage. These actually don't even have any nibs or any pokey things on the bottom of them. They don't need them because they are laser scanned to your cab to fit down to a 1/10 of an inch. So it's safe to say if you have a work truck, if you put your truck through a lot of mud, off-roading, camping, you got work boots, you throw a lot of crap in there, etc., these will provide the best coverage. They do line up and install perfectly, as we can show you here. And as you can see, they do cover up in front of your pedals as well. Certainly a nice touch if you're driving your truck for long periods of time. Again, you're on back roads or you're doing a lot of work outside. You're not gonna have to worry about any mud getting up in there and ruining your carpet. And as you saw before I put our floor mats in to replace our old ones, our carpet in our '07 does look pretty much brand new. Certainly a testament to the quality of Weathertech's DigitalFit floor liners, considering our truck is over 10 years old, and we certainly put it through a lot of abuse. So if you want to get the best floor mats available for your F150 and you're not too concerned about skimping out on quality versus price, I would definitely check out Weathertech's DigitalFit floor liners for your F150. Other than that, for all things F150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.